Cars give you freedom. Freedom to explore. Freedom to go on a great drive.
And like how we have the bishop in the Western culture, here we have a priest.
Poha papad and a stuffed chili stuffed with yogurt and spices, dehydrated and fried. This is just the beginning. You have a couple more food experiences to try.
She herself was an artist.
Ganjifa is an art form that originated in Persia and was brought down by the Mughals. So tonight we're doing a 7-course plated with royalty tasting menu. It is more Japanese and Korean centric.
Buttermilk marinated, lucky chicken, yeah.
If the stones could speak, what stories they tell us.
So you did actually save the best for the last.
You could say that.